Hold up.
Guys, this is Lala Idiots. Today I'm going to be making a vlog about my trip to Hyderabad. So it's going to be 4 parts. This is the first part. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Follow this channel on Instagram. And please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, so I have to pack. Where should I keep this? And yeah, I'm done. So yeah, that's it. I finished packing. We're at the airport now, so you can see. This is day 1, okay? This is part 1. There will be 4 more parts. You guys can see. Okay, guys, now we're here at the airport. The flight is delayed by some 30 minutes, so we gotta stay here for 30 minutes. Vending machine, it's a monster. And yes, we want Fanta. Put it inside. Put it inside. Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Yes. It went. C7. B. Okay. It's working. Guys, it's working. Yes. D. It's working. Nonsense. Why is Coke coming? I don't know. He ordered. One Coke. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Yes. Wow. And it's a successful mission. And the Coke is out. That is a legendary Coke.
Science rules.
Spilled Coke. Nitin spilled Coke. No, sorry. Mithil spilled Coke. Both of them spilled Coke.
In the criminal justice system, sexually based offenses are considered especially heinous. In New York City,
What is this?
What's your age?
15.
You have been given premium seat, okay? Now I have to find my luggage. I don't know where is it. I don't know which side also it will come, but I have to find it anyways. So we arrived here at Hyderabad. I told you one thing about how Indigo is the best. It's not. Actually, they told they're giving premium. makes this shit, man? Indigo is the worst. You don't travel in Indigo. It's spiced. I got my suitcase. I'm very happy that Indigo didn't steal my suitcase. It's in my opinion, it is the worst airlines I've ever traveled in. And I asked the air hostess for water. She told her she'll give it to me, but then she didn't give it to me. She did. That's her job. She has to do her job. Hi guys, now I'm in the bus. Now we're gonna go to the hotel, and after that we're gonna eat lunch, and then we're gonna go to Golconda Fort. So here at the hotel, as you can see, here at the hotel we reached. We're gonna have some lunch, and then we're gonna go to Golconda Fort. Finished our lunch.
Even I am butterfly.
At this hotel, the Fortune Hotel, guys, I have to tell you, amazing food. Chicken biryani, Hyderabad chicken biryani, na Hyderabad chicken biryani. Okay, come let's go check the room. Whoa, this is the room. Whoa.
Hey, I have first bathroom done. Finish my stuff. 1 second.
Oh yeah, and see, this is the floor bed.
Okay, now we have to explain this thing. Who's sleeping down? Who's sleeping down?
Today I sleep. Today I'll sleep. Today I'll sleep. Get out. I'll sleep. And tomorrow I'll sleep down. Fully I'll sleep. Fully I'll
3 days no, you are here.
Fully I'll sleep. Hey, no, guys. See, 3 nights we'll be staying here. Okay. So we'll.
3 nights will be here.
Okay.
See, 3 nights, 4 days. Okay. So 1 night, so 1 night, 1 day. We will change.
You're sleeping for. You're sleeping. This is our room. Our room is wonderful. I love this room. Today. No, come here. Oh, it's a wardrobe. It's a wardrobe. Guys, the first row. Guys, I love this room. Hey guys, now we're gonna go to the fort. Okay.
The fort. I'll show you guys now. One minute. Building. Fire from the building now. Place is on fire.
I don't know if you can see my face, but this thing's gonna start. This thing's gonna start now. Seems to be some light show.
30 minutes later.
I'm really tired from going from the fort. We went for a light show, as on waste light show. We came back in half an hour. Okay, then yeah, that is end of day 1. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.